Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from PCEX, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for PCEX.com. Now, once you are on the official website of PC Exchange, you will have to simply log in into your account. So once you have successfully logged in, you need to simply click on this assets tab, and then you will be landed on this page, where here on this page you will be able to see the valuation of your assets. Now, in order to withdraw your money from here, you need to click on the withdraw option and then click on this drop down menu to select the withdrawal currency. Here you will be given only two options, USDT and USDC. So you will have to select the one which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw USDT. So after tapping on it, it will ask you to fill out the withdrawal details. So over here in the transfer network, you will have to simply click on this drop down menu, and in the transfer networks, you will only be able to see the TRC20 and ERC20 networks. Now, if you want to save money on fees, on the transaction fees, I would recommend you to go with the TRC21. Then you will have to simply provide the withdrawal address. So in this section, you will have to provide the deposit address of that particular exchange where you want to withdraw your USDT. Afterwards, in this withdrawal amount, enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. After filling all of these details, simply click on the confirm withdrawal option and wait for the transaction to complete. Once the transaction is completed successfully, you will receive your USDT from PC Exchange to your cryptocurrency exchange within just 5 minutes. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.